Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you of the P-Touch Versatile Compact Label Maker. It is in the model P2 D400. I recently picked this up from Staples. It was on sale from $39.99 I believe to $29.99. No, $49.99 to $29.99. It's much bigger than the one that I previously had. It is by the brand Brother, and so let's go ahead and get this open for you. Just my camera. Okay, so in here you've got your user's guide for the P-Touch. See, it looks like if you want to order accessories, you can go right to their website here. And a reference guide, user's guide here. And it looks like it does come with one cartridge. Oh, it says sample. Well, I'm actually getting ready to do a big project, so I would have picked up more. This is 12 mm 0.47 laminated sample TZ tape. And I actually have one of these at the office I work in, but it's an older model, and it's in the color black. So you open the cassette that way. Open the cassette this way. I like using this at home, or at work, excuse me, and I needed to pick up a new one from home. I'm going to be doing a major, or excuse me, you probably can't hear me. I'm going to be doing a major project with totally redoing the way that I have my setup for my folders and at-home filing system. I'm going to be doing that this weekend. So it looks like you just set this up. I can't remember. Yeah, this way. This one pops right in there. Clamp the lid down there. And it does take batteries. The batteries it takes are AA's. Oops. Yeah, this way and this way. Negative, positive, negative, positive. You go ahead and pop the back on. Great. Push the on button here. Now what's nice about these is it's got a number of different kinds of settings or features, if you will. You have your font up here, label, frame, symbol, and sample labels. Let's go ahead and do a test. Let's see, I can type in my name. Patricia, and as you can see, I just did a very simple copies one. Oh, that's nice. So this one does have a little bit more features than the one that we have at our office does. print. And there you have it. This is a plastic label, which is my label of preference. You've got your menu here, and it's got language, unit, adjustment, symbol history, auto fit. So a lot of different features there. But I just wanted to go ahead and share this new label maker with you guys. I do like the size of the keyboard. It's nice and weight. I think it'll sit nicely here on my desk. Hopefully my kids will not mess with it. And yeah, I'm very happy with this new label maker. If you guys have any questions or would like more information about it, please let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer. Thanks so much for watching.